Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number X728XX. 19,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Storm blue metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive limited lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Back seats can be folded from the rear as well. Simple pull of the handle, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power lift gate control, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. It's better for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.